You're invited to imagine what's next. What the next view you wake up to will be. Where your next adventures will start from. Your perfect space to entertain. And your sanctuary to unwind in. As you begin to imagine your new place, we'll be here to help you find it. Because nothing compares to what's next. Sotheby'sRealty.com.
Welcome back to our special segment, Inspire India. Now, this is our endeavor to highlight wonderful, inspiring stories of ordinary people, NGOs and citizen initiatives that are making our cities better, more livable and sustainable. Watch how Malba Project, a Delhi-based organization, has set out to make the capital of India free of harmful construction and demolition waste that ends up clogging Delhi and adding to its air pollution and landfills.
Delhi, where construction work primarily means breaking down of older homes and buildings to rebuild taller, more modern structures. The question then is, what happens to all the waste generated in such demolitions, from discarded bricks and tiles to doors, windows and even wires?
We're raising awareness. That's also a huge factor, that people lack awareness about this waste stream. Just because it doesn't stink, people don't take it seriously.
According to government figures, Delhi's current construction and demolition waste recycling capacity is 5,150 tons per day. But experts in the field believe almost double of that, or 8,000 to 10,000 tons of construction or demolition or C&D waste is generated every day makes to the recycling facilities. Bottom line, there's a heavy price to pay for this uncycled C&D waste, commonly known as Malba, in North India.
So Malba has a lot of harmful effects. One of the most significant ones is its contribution to air pollution. So Malba has a lot of PM10 and PM2.5 that comes out of it, so these activities contribute about 30% to Delhi's air pollution right now. Apart from this, because we end up illegally dumping Malba, you will find it clogging drains, the natural drainage system of the city. So every monsoon when you see a flood in Delhi, a lot of it is because we have filled our low-lying areas with Malba.
Shamita and her team at Malba Project set out with a vision to make Delhi free of C&D waste by 2030 by addressing it in an Uber-like model. They collect C&D waste from any demolition site on request and take it to the recycling facility, which would convert it into reusable paver tiles, paver blocks and zigzag tiles.
So requesting a Malba pickup is fairly simple. Just write Malba pickup Delhi. Malba Project's request Malba pickup and you just click request to book. The second way also I'll show you, malbaproject.com. You come to our website, you'll see Uber for waste written here and you can click on request pickup. You click request to book.
What's more, Malba Project has onboarded waste haulers and a fair price is calculated and displayed transparently on the website.
Everything is a resource. This concept talks about an industrial scale. So we're talking about the construction sector in large, like how do we make the construction sector circular. So that is what we started with, and this is why Malba Project exists, to make the construction sector a lot more circular.
A country like Singapore recycles 99% of construction and demolition waste. Guess how much India has managed? Just 1%. Pavements, footpaths, parks, back alleys and landfills should be our last resource to dump any C&D waste in. We wish Malba Project success and hope many more similar initiatives come up across India. If you have an inspiring story to share, write into us at the Urban Agenda at ndtv.com. And thank you so much for joining me. Goodbye.
You're invited to imagine what's next. What the next view you wake up to will be. Where your next adventures will start from. Your perfect space to entertain. And your sanctuary to unwind in. As you begin to imagine your new place, we'll be here to help you find it. Because nothing compares to what's next. Sotheby'sRealty.com